Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home and doing your studies well. Now we have completed in previous video lesson number 19, the explanation of the drama play and the 25 words question answer. Now today we are doing the answer the following questions in about 50 words. Now the first question is, what story did Garrett knit to trap the intruder? Garrett ने इंट्रूडर को ट्रैप करने के लिए कौन सी कहानी सुनाई? And the answer is, to trap the intruder, Garrett told him that he was also wanted by the police for a murder. The police might reach there at any time. He has appointed a person on the main road to inform him about the police arriving. He also told him that he always keeps his bag ready to fly away. His bag contains disguising material. Question number 2. How did Garrett finally confine the intruder into the cupboard? किस तरह से कैसे गैरेड ने फाइनली इंट्रूडर को कबर्ड में बंद किया? एंड द आंसर इज, गैरेड टोल्ड द इंट्रूडर आफ्टर अटेंडिंग द टेलीफोन दैट द पुलिस वॉज अबाउट टू रीच देयर. ही सेड टू हिम टू एस्केप He said to him to see the police on the road by himself. The intruder was trapped. As he leant forward to see the police arrival, Garrett pushed him into the cupboard. He slammed the door and locked it. He took his revolver and pointed it towards the cupboard door. Then he made certain calls, and in one of his calls he asked for the police to come and arrest the intruder. Third question, one who is intelligent is powerful. How did Garrett prove that as he defeated the intruder by his intelligence? कि जो इंटेलिजेंट होता है वही शक्तिशाली होता है. किस तरह से गैरेट ने कैसे इसको प्रूव किया इंट्रूडर को अपनी इंटेलिजेंस से हराकर? Now answer is, an intelligent person can solve all the problems. In the case of Garrett, we see that he was in the gravest situation of his life, but he did not lose courage. His mind kept on working even in adverse circumstances. He answered all questions of the intruder humorously and intelligently. Towards the end of the play, he knitted a false story. Again he acted very well and made the intruder to fall into his trap and get arrested. So students, here we complete our question answer about 50 words. Now in grammar section, students, here there is one paragraph is given and the underlined words. You see the underlined words down, to, from, to, overcoat, in, over, at, against. Now these underlined words in the above sentences are prepositions. And the definition of preposition is given here. The preposition is a word or group of words often placed before a noun or pronoun to indicate place, डायरेक्शन, सोर्स, मेथड, एक्सेट्रा. प्रपोजिशन वो वर्ड या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो अक्सर नाउन या प्रोनाउन के पहले इंडिकेट करने के लिए प्लेस, डायरेक्शन और सोर्स मेथड यूज किए जाते हैं. नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग पैराग्राफ एंड मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ प्रीपोजिशंस अकर्ड. सो हियर आई अंडरलाइन द प्रीपोजिशन वर्ड्स while reading. Now Garrett. Oh, don't be a fool. Look for yourself. Garrett opens the door and steps away. Intruder leans forward to inspect it with his sight towards Garrett. but with his revolver ready. As he turns his head, Garrett gives him a push into the cupboard, knocking the revolver out of his hand. He slams the door and looks for it, picks up the revolver and goes to the phone where he stands with the gun pointed at the cupboard door. Intruder rattles door and shouts, "Let me out of here." So students, all these underlined words are prepositions. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.